Hello coders, welcome back to my channel Lazy Coder. Today we will see HR management system project. In this project I have developed multiple features. We will see all one by one. And this website is a fully responsive. It means that it opens in a good manner in a mobile view. You can see that cards and graphs are adjusted according to mobile. And if we see the sidebar here, we have attendance, leave management, department, pay recruitment, payroll, everything is there. So before jumping to the project features, I was looking at my channel analytics this morning and I saw something crazy that 95% of you just watch my video but not subscribing it. We are building premium production level projects here, not basic hello world, right? So if you want to see more quality projects like the one I am about to show you, please hit that subscribe button. It will help me to create more projects. And if you see on my channels, I have uploaded multiple projects like face recognition, attendance system, online exam system, hotel management, payroll, employee. So there are lots of projects I have uploaded. You can check this out on my channel and please hit that subscribe button so that it will motivate me to create more projects. So let's go to the HRMS project here, and currently you are looking at the admin panel which have the attendance pulse, means it's showing the today's percentage. So 95% of employee is present. Here you can see that total employee is 2 and department 2, success rate and P95 latency is there, right? And this project is not just a simple Excel based, right? And it is a payroll forecast and all the employees are in here, okay? And if you click on the plus new employee is there, right? So if you click here, by just filling these details, okay, employee will be created, okay? And here if you see, if you click on the employee, list of all the employee will come here. And if you want to see more details, you just have to click the view profile, and with the beautiful profile, pictures and details, everything will be shown here. And there is one more thing there. When you are adding the employee, emergency contact can also be added and edited. If you click the edit of that emergency contact, so that it can be done here, and you can also edit it, okay? And just admin panel, admin will have the ability to delete the employee also, okay? If we click delete, then that employee will be deleted. So let's delete it, one employee. Let's click on that delete. You can see that it got deleted. Total employee now becomes 1, right? Okay. And attendance system is also there. So current date is 10th, right? 10th of December. So it automatically selected that. And if we want to take the attendance, so we just have to select the staff members and then present, absent or register the attendance, and it will, all the active signed in will be shown here. And this is about the attendance. And there is leave management also. So we just have to select the employee and approve or rejected, maybe declined or approved is there, right? And we can just select the date. So I have already submitted one application for leave. So here you can see that this status is approved, right? This is about the leave. And department is also there. So here we can add the department, okay? So let's say suppose if we want to do finance department, okay, so we can just put the finance here, finance department will handle all money, okay? And just click on the create department. You can see that department is created, okay? Finance department, right? And if we click on then all the associated employee with this department will be shown here, okay? So if we go to that department and click on security, there is no any employees associated with this, right? And if we click on the IT, you can see that one member is showing here. And one more thing, like this is a fully responsive. It means that here associated member are it's got adjusted according to the mobile view, right? Okay, so this is about the department, and we can also update the information of that department. Okay, and recruitment is there. So means when any employee or if want to work on this firm can just create the account, and that application will be shown here, and this admin will have the power to delete it also. And there is payroll, means all the staff will be shown here, and we just have to click on the pay so that they will be paid. Okay, so if we log out from this admin account, and let's go to the home page. So this is the home page, and it is also fully responsive. Okay, and if we go to the recruitment, so here candidate can fill the details and submit it. Then on the admin panel, recruitment will be shown here, and if we go to the admin can just log in and also create the account. Okay, so let's log into the admin again, and here on the dashboard also department is there, and the new employee is also there. Okay, and in the employee, when we create the new employee, in this case you can see that there is no any emergency contact is showing, right? But when we add it, then afterward that emergency contact will be added. Okay, so these are about the features of the HRMS project. If you want this project, you can comment. I will provide you the source code, and please subscribe to my channel so that it will motivate me to create more projects.